In art, ownership looked permanent: a frame, a wall, a label, a donor plaque. In Nazi-looted art claims, time stops protecting. The key U.S. statute is the Holocaust Expropriated Art Recovery Act, the HEAR Act, signed December 16, 2016, by President Barack Obama. Its premise was simple and powerful. Claims for Nazi-era losses aren't dismissed just for age. Instead, the federal clock starts on discovery of the work and the claim's basis. In 2026, Congress strengthened the framework again. On April 13, 2026, the Holocaust Expropriated Art Recovery Act of 2025 was signed. Purpose: further limit time-based procedural defenses and address litigation obstacles. Case 1. Cassirer v. Thyssen-Bornemisza Collection Foundation. The work is Camille Pissarro's Rue Saint-Honoré in the Afternoon, Effect of Rain. Lily Cassirer surrendered the painting in 1939 while fleeing Nazi Germany. Decades later, it hung in the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum in Madrid. In 2022, the United States Supreme Court ruled on the choice of law issue and remanded for further analysis. Case 2. Federal Republic of Germany versus Philipp. The object was the Welfenschatz, the Guelph treasure, a medieval collection. The disputed sale took place in 1935 under the Nazi regime. The heirs argued the sale occurred under Nazi pressure. In 2021, the United States Supreme Court unanimously limited the path under the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act. Case 3. The Fritz Grünbaum claims involving works by Egon Schiele. Grünbaum was an Austrian Jewish collector and cabaret performer who died in Dachau. His heirs pursued works linked to his collection, including Schiele drawings such as Woman Hiding Her Face and Woman in a Black Pinafore. Here, the drama is concrete, not abstract. A collector disappears. A collection disperses. Works surface decades later. Then the courtroom becomes a second gallery for the record. Restitution law does not simply return art. It changes the meaning of ownership. A painting that seemed settled for 80 years can become contested again. A museum wall can become evidence in litigation. A private collection can become a legal minefield for owners and heirs. The market once treated time as insulation against claims. Now time itself can operate like an indictment. That is the shift. Not morality versus money. Something colder: legal memory against cultural capital. In this market, value depends on confidence and title, and once provenance becomes unstable, confidence is repriced. The frame stays still, the title may stay the same, but beneath both, ownership begins to move.